I'm in the mood to study English. Yeah. 10 seconds to go. Hi, 老外美語 English for you. We have one-on-one group business conversation, daily conversation for all levels in Taipei and Kaohsiung. So join us now. And now check out the video. Today we're going to look at this word, mood, and moody. You can have a good mood, which means you're happy. You can have a bad mood, which means you're angry. If you are moody, it normally means you have a bad mood, but also your emotion, your feeling between good and bad will change a lot and quickly. So be careful of the boss today. He's quite moody. Or careful, she's in a bad mood today. Okay. Then we have this phrase, in the mood. And we normally use it in a negative way to say, I don't want to do this. We say, I'm not in the mood. So your friends might say, hey, let's go to the movies tonight. I'm not in the mood. So my feeling is, okay, nah, I don't want to go. I would rather stay home and sleep. I'm not in the mood. My children are never in the mood to do their homework. Okay, and that's it. So you can use this phrase now. Good. If the video helped you, like, share, subscribe,